Alright, boom man them Skipper new video dog go. Long time no watch no Skipper in a dog. I'll go with Skipper now. So Skipper Irish and go. Skipper never up on the storybook with him. Give me go watch that all time. See what I gone see. Skipper up on the storybook with him dog. I did that. Yo, bro, the other them tough in a dog. Like we not try to leak it, but bro, the Audi that kind of slick look like the Euros, bro. Shit tough dog. Yo, Skipper, we have uncle there today. How Who uncle is that? He's over here. Who uncle is that? See, I can't Skipper. Who uncle is, bro? Who uncle is? He's over here. Yo, y'all see that shit? Yo, dog, million jiggle for that. Oh. Yeah, I will chill out, I will chill out. Mm, mm. Alright, yo, is this the manager or something? Yo, is you the manager? Do I have to pay some respect? Not bad, bro. Not bad. Not bad. Mm. Yeah. Is that a lamb truck? Bro, that's a lamb truck. That's gotta be a lamb truck. Bro, that look like a lamb truck. Mm, mm. Okay. Hold on. Bro, I swear Mrs. Skipper perform on the club like 20 times now. Now, what is that? America this or something? America this that? Bro, yeah, that is the lamb truck. I think, yep, that's a lamb truck. Bro, what the hell? The man them spill liquor up on the thing, dog. But that's a lamb truck. That is a lamb truck. Mm, 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 mm. Go. Oh, God. Oh, hold on. Mm. Bro, bro, this nigga frying me, bro. Like, yo, our uncle I go and need that uncle put something. Alright, uncle, calm, see, uncle, calm, see. But, no, but that did tough, that did tough. Huh? Mm. Editing? Hold on, I will edit that. Bro, see, I knew, bro. Bro, see, I say, yo, bro, that look like a lamb truck. That look like the ears. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, yo, yours, that food. Mm, mm, mm. Bro, uncle got it, dog. Uncle got it. Who uncle is dog? Swear. My dog said, mm. Y'all know what club this is? The road. Y'all see the couch, bro? Like, yo, that couch, the color of that couch, man. Bro, I never see. And the, bro, you see the light bulb price, like, man, I kind of look at the light bulb price, like, you look at like dimmer than the other light bulb, them, like, you realize, like, and why them have just like a random container, dog, like, crazy, dog, crazy. Hey, I do it, dog, I do it, dog. Go. Hey, hey, I do style, I do style, I do style, I do style. Hey, skip her braces. No, we can't get this. Yeah, dog, you man have braces, dog. You could have smoked with braces. You didn't know. I can roll blunt with the braces. You know what I'm saying? I have braces too. Mm. Real. Tell them again. On the run. The right boy alone. Yeah, we care about the patrol, man. Patrol now, pop my time. You're the one that say, yo, $150,000 of minister, and we now have time I replace that every day, you know. See, girl go drive up a car, pop two white tire, them two. Yeah, man, the day road that just don't fit some people, dog. You see, bro, is that what that dog? A X6, dog? That shit look crazy, dog. Them tough, dog. Yeah, I don't wait, dog. I might be tripping. I don't want yours, that dog. Yeah, my trip, dog. It's not for yours. It's like at the X6, dog. Might be the competition. It's a X6. My fault, guys. My fault, guys. My bad. Chop two bends, man. You know it can go. Blue plate them. You know it can go. Go get them. Go get them. Good. Alright, we just need to come out for the video now, dog. Where the pan? What is this nigga doing? Come on, bro. What the is it? I don't get that. Unk. Why am I not unk going? Don't need to sit down. Mm-hmm. What? What? You know what I'm saying? When my big, I can't do that. God. What? Go scam for that, boy. More. My more can catch you, boy. Yo, Skipper song, tough still, dog. Shout out Skipper, dog. One song crazy, dog. Oh, and the depot on the radar too. You didn't know about that, dog. Probably try to watch that. So I've gone for that too.